Ever wondered why dropshipping has become a buzzword in the business world? In the last few years, the allure of dropshipping has caught the attention of aspiring entrepreneurs and seasoned business owners alike. It has steadily risen to prominence, becoming a shining beacon in the e-commerce landscape. The reason? Its unique business model that blends convenience, low startup costs, and the potential for substantial profitability. Imagine this. You're an entrepreneur with an eye for opportunities and a desire to venture into the e-commerce industry. You're on the lookout for a business model that doesn't require a huge capital investment, yet offers promising returns. Then you stumble upon dropshipping, a business model that eliminates the need to maintain an inventory or handle the logistics of product delivery. It's like a dream come true, isn't it? Dropshipping offered entrepreneurs the golden opportunity to start an online store without the need to invest in inventory. This meant that a significant barrier to entry was removed, making it easier for anyone with an internet connection and a dash of entrepreneurial spirit to start their own business. And as with any business model that promises such benefits, there have been some notable success stories. Entrepreneurs who leverage the power of dropshipping to build profitable businesses from scratch. These stories of success added to the allure of dropshipping, painting it as a promising avenue for entrepreneurial success. But these stories are not just fairy tales. They're real-life examples of individuals who recognized the potential of dropshipping and seized the opportunity. They rolled up their sleeves, jumped into the deep end, and reaped the benefits. It's safe to say that the allure of dropshipping was, and continues to be, its potential for profitability, convenience, and the low barrier to entry. But that was then, and this is now. The e-commerce landscape has evolved, and with it, the world of dropshipping. As we step into 2023, it's time to take a close look at the current state of dropshipping. So, get ready to delve into the world of dropshipping in 2023, and let's explore whether it still holds the same allure it once did. 2023 paints a different picture for dropshipping. Let's peel back the layers of this intriguing business model. Dropshipping, like any business, is not without its challenges. In the year 2023, these challenges have multiplied and evolved. The first hurdle that stares dropshippers in the face is the sheer volume of competition. With the barriers to entry being so low, the market has become saturated. Today, anyone with an internet connection and a few dollars to spare can set up a dropshipping store. This has led to a dog-eat-dog world where only the fittest survive. Next, we come across wafer-thin profit margins. The dropshipping model relies on selling products at a markup. However, with so many players in the market, competitive pricing has slithered down profit margins to the bare minimum. This means that dropshippers have to sell larger volumes to achieve a substantial profit, which is easier said than done. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room: supply chain disruptions. The past few years have seen unprecedented disruptions in global supply chains due to the pandemic and other geopolitical factors. For dropshippers who rely on suppliers often located halfway across the world, these disruptions have been a nightmare. Late deliveries, unexpected costs, and quality issues have all become part and parcel of the dropshipping world. Last but not least, we have customer service. In a world where customer is king, maintaining high standards of customer service is non-negotiable. However, given that dropshippers don't have control over the supply chain, ensuring timely deliveries and quality products can be a tall order. This can lead to disgruntled customers, negative reviews, and a tarnished reputation. So, with all these challenges staring at us in the face, the question then arises: is dropshipping still a viable business model? Change is the only constant, and the dropshipping industry is no exception. In the early days, dropshipping was seen as a get-rich-quick scheme. The formula was simple: find cheap products, mark them up, sell them online, and pocket the difference. It was a numbers game, and the more products you had, the better. But as we've moved forward, this model has seen a significant shift. Today, it's not about having the most products, it's about having the right products. Quality has taken precedence over quantity. Consumers are more discerning than they have ever been. They're not just looking for a product, they're looking for a solution to their problem. And they're willing to pay a premium for that solution. So, the focus has shifted from selling a wide array of products to selling a select range of high-quality problem-solving products. Alongside this shift towards quality, we've also seen the emergence of niche markets. The internet has made it possible for people with unique interests and needs to find and connect with each other, creating demand for specialized products. In response, savvy dropshippers have started to cater to these niche markets, offering products that may not have mass appeal but are highly sought after by a specific group of people. And then there's the importance of building a brand. Gone are the days where you could remain faceless behind your online store. Consumers want to know who they're buying from. They want to connect with a brand, not just a product. Building a brand, telling a story, and creating an emotional connection with your customers is now an integral part of the dropshipping business. The landscape of dropshipping has indeed changed over the years, and it continues to evolve. The shifts towards quality over quantity, the emergence of niche markets, and the importance of brand building have altered how dropshipping businesses operate. Adapting to these changes is crucial for survival in the dropshipping world. So keep your eyes open and your mind flexible, because the only thing that's certain is that change is inevitable. Scene script. Surviving in the dropshipping industry requires more than just selling products. It requires strategy. As we delve deeper into 2023, it's become clear that the landscape of dropshipping is changing. But change is not a cause for alarm. It's an opportunity. So what are the strategies that can set you apart in this evolving industry? First and foremost, customer service has never been more critical. In a world where consumers have more choices than ever before, providing exceptional customer service is a surefire way to stand out. Be responsive, be understanding, and above all, be human. People appreciate businesses that care about them, that treat them as more than just a number, but customer service alone won't cut it. You need to build a strong brand. Your brand is your identity. It's what sets you apart from the competition. It's not just about having a catchy logo or a sleek website. It's about defining your values, your mission, and your promise to your customers. A strong brand generates trust, and trust generates sales. Next, let's talk about finding a profitable niche. The general store concept is becoming less effective. The future belongs to those who specialize. It's about finding a specific product or market that you're passionate about and becoming the best at it. The more specific your niche, the less competition you'll face, and the easier it will be to target your marketing efforts. Speaking of marketing, leveraging social media is a must in 2023. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok offer unparalleled opportunities to reach your target audience. But remember, successful social media marketing is not about selling, it's about engaging. Create content that educates, entertains, or inspires. Build a community around your brand and the sales will follow. Implementing these strategies could be the difference between a thriving dropshipping business and a failing one. So, put in the work, stay adaptable, and remember, success in dropshipping, like in any business, is a marathon, not a sprint. So, is dropshipping dead or alive in 2023? The answer might surprise you. As we've journeyed through this discussion, it's clear that dropshipping has experienced significant changes. Once considered a goldmine for digital entrepreneurs, the landscape has evolved, presenting new challenges and opportunities. Let's take a moment to recap. The allure of dropshipping was undeniable. The promise of running a successful business with minimal upfront investment was tempting. But as we delved into the reality, it became evident that succeeding in dropshipping was not as simple as setting up an online store and watching the orders roll in. The challenges were manifold. From dealing with supplier issues, handling customer complaints, to staying ahead of the competition, the road was fraught with hurdles. However, the landscape of dropshipping was not static. It changed, and with it, the strategies for success. The advent of new technologies, changing consumer behaviors, and the rise of social commerce all played a pivotal role in shaping the future of dropshipping. We explored the strategies for success in 2023, highlighting the importance of understanding your target audience, selecting the right suppliers, and leveraging social media platforms to reach potential customers. So, back to the question at hand. Is dropshipping dead or alive in 2023? The truth is, dropshipping, like any other business model, is not immune to change. It has evolved and will continue to do so. While it may be more challenging now than it was in the past, this doesn't necessarily spell doom. Instead, it presents an opportunity for entrepreneurs to innovate, adapt, and succeed in a new environment. The key lies in understanding these changes, embracing them, and finding unique ways to navigate the evolving landscape. So, no, dropshipping in 2023 isn't dead, it's just different. And for those willing to adapt, it could be more profitable than ever. Because at the end of the day, business is not about following a set path, but about carving your own.